I just went ahead and added a little sweet onion in there. But we are going to saute this down to maybe another like 5 or 6 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our curry chicken mix to this. Make sure you have your broth or your vegetable broth available right beside you. So we are going to saute this down. Well, actually, we're just going to make sure that the chicken is done since the vegetables already are. So we're going to make sure that the chicken is done. And then once the chicken is done, we're going to make sure that we do with our potatoes as far as draining them, etc. And then we're going to add them in here, and we're going to thicken up the curry sauce, so then that way we have a nice velvety texture to go with the rest of my fried cabbage from last night. So I have my curry chicken bubbling and simmering, so then that way when I add my potatoes, papa fritas, when it absorbs, when you put your starch in here, it's going to absorb some of this anyway. So just make a little extra broth or gravy like substance with your curry chicken, so then that way it won't be dry once you combine it all together.